The definition of grinding.
The Cali hustle, the Cali hustle, the Cali hustle,
Go cop it, chop it, then flip it.
the Cali hustle, the Cali hustle, the Cali hustle,
If you want it, then get up and get it.
the Cali hustle.
What's good? What it do? Calvin here, the Kelly Hustle. Thank you for checking in. If this is your first time here, I'm a full-time reseller, entrepreneur, full-time stay-at-home dad. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you what I sold on Monday and Tuesday, and I'm also going to be showing you how I package up a PS3 gaming system or any other gaming console if you got something to pack up like that. Anyways, stay tuned. All right. 4 items going out today. So 4 sales on Monday. Not the greatest in the world, but I'm not turning down no money. So let's get to it. So the first thing I sold was this Halo 4 Xbox 360 game. And I sold that for $9.99 plus the buyer pay for shipping on top of that. And I'm into that game for 75 cents. The next thing I sold was this Callaway Opti-Dry Polo. Into that for $3, and that sold for $15.99, and I did free shipping on that one, so there goes that. This next one is a 1,000-piece puzzle. So that was the sale right there. So I'm into that puzzle for $1, and that sold for $8 plus the buyer paid for shipping on top of that. And then my last sale of yesterday was this Nintendo Wii Just Dance 2014. Again, into that game for about 75 cents, and that sold for $9.99 plus the buyer paid for shipping on that one as well. All right, Wednesday. Got 5 things going out today from Tuesday sales. So let me show you what I sold. First thing up to the plate is this Bass Pro Shop trucker hat snapback. Picked that hat up for $1. That sold for $5.85 plus the buyer pay for shipping. So not a lot of money, but hey, what I always say, sale's a sale. Perfect. This next thing is this. Boom. This FGTV toy. Those are selling pretty good now. Retail arbitrage at Walmart. Got that for $1. That one sold for $5.19 plus the buyer pay for shipping on that as well. So that's my second item. Third item is this Office Depot message book. Kind of like a receipt book, but it's more so just for messages. I picked that up at a garage sale during last season. It was like this office space. They're getting rid of a bunch of stuff, and I got a lot of stuff there, a bunch of printer ink and all that. I'm into that for maybe a quarter or something, and that sold for $6.49 plus the buyer pay for shipping. All right, this next one right here is a folding shovel, rough hewn folding shovel. It's pretty cool. Kind of a utility sort of thing. Crazy story about that. I got a good buddy back in San Diego who didn't know he was going on to my eBay store, and just out of the blue, like, I don't know, it was crazy how it worked out, but that's going out to my good buddy Jeff. So Jeff, I'm getting that packed up, man, and it's going out to you today. So you should be getting it any day now. But anyways, that sold for, I picked that up at a garage sale for $2, and that sold for $9.36 plus he paid for shipping on top of that. My last item that I sold yesterday, this was a good one. So garage sale season again last year. Good thing I kind of held back on my death pile and listened to certain games. We were actually using this PS3 for a while, but got this up at a garage sale. came with the controller, all the cables and everything. I went ahead and picked this game up just to bundle it with it. I got the PS3 and all the controllers and cables for $5. That game was $2, so I'm into everything for $7, and that sold for $79.99 plus the buyer paid for shipping on that. So not great, but 5 sales going out from Tuesday, and I'll take that. So let me get these things packed up and get them to the postal. Let me show you how I package up a PS3 video game console, and I'll get it out for shipping. So there's a couple of different parts you got to do, because you got to do the console itself, you got to do the remote and the cables, and then the game as well. So I'll kind of start off with the easiest ones first. I'll go ahead and do the remote. So the remote right here, I love bubble wrap. So put the bubble wrap in, and I love tape. Look at that. Bam. Bam. So that's the remote right there. So that's bubble wrap. That's good to go. Next thing I like to bubble wrap this game. There. Get a piece of tape. All right, got the game, and the remote is bubble wrap. Okay, I'm not gonna bubble wrap the cables. That's doing too much, but I like sticking the cables in a nice poly bag. Again, some of this stuff isn't necessary, you know, but presentation, man. I like presentation. Presentation is everything. Well, not everything, but it's huge. You know, especially when it comes to customer service. Got that right there. So I've got those three. Now the main part, obviously, is the console itself. And okay, so obviously got more bubble wrap. Can't have enough. What I'll do, put this right here real quick. All right. So I'll lay this down right there, and then I'll just roll it a couple times. So I'll do 3 sheets. All right, put a little bit of tape. All right, that's the first part. Then I'll do another 3 sheets. 1, 2, 3. And if you notice, most of us, you know, we get these bubble wraps in the large rolls, and I think they're in sections of 12 inches, but so you know what I'm talking about. So I put another set of 3 right there. So roll that up, boom, boom. Get a little tape on that. Bang. Not done though. I am not done. So, what we're gonna do? I'm gonna take another 3. If this is excessive, let me know. But I'm still gonna do it this way. Again, I just want to make sure it gets to them safely. I spent a decent amount of money on it, so again, take every precaution. So, 3, boom. Get that tape. Alright, and then I'll go, hey, 3 more. Alright. So, get it on. And boom. Alright, boom. So that's bubble wrap pretty good, I would say. That. Take this part right here. Alright, so that's bubble wrap. Alright. Then you gotta find yourself a box. Okay, you gotta find the perfect size box. So this box is pretty good. It's a little deep, so I'm gonna have to cut it down. But what you want to do first is you want to kind of float it. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some packing paper and put it at the bottom. That way that can sit like on a nice comfy bed. So actually, before I do that, one last precaution. So I will throw this into a poly bag. Now, you might look at the bubble wrap like, hey, that's gonna keep moisture out, but you can never be too sure, especially when it's raining. Packages get left outside, you just never know. So, go ahead and put that PS3 in a poly bag. And then again, just looks nice. Nicer. Boom. So that's good. Alright. So I have all my components ready and be ready for me to put into the box. So let me go get some paper and stuff at the bottom, and I'll be right back. So I got my paper, my packing paper. I'll go ahead and stuff them on the bottom right there. Boom. Get a little bit more. Rip it in half. Jeez, a little too much. Come on. Yeah. Alright, packing paper. So now, when you see it, packing paper at the bottom, that's going to be a nice little bed for the PS3. So boom, stick the PS3 right there. And that's how it fits. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright. Then I'll stick the controllers and the game and the remote. And just for good measure, again, keeping that moisture out, select electronics. I'll go ahead and toss the controller and the game in that poly bag right there. That's a clear poly bag. Boom. Alright, so that right there, put that on top. Now look at it. Everything fits in there nice and smooth. Perfectly. So now I'll just do a little bit more packing paper for the sides and stuff. On that side right there. Alright. Some more right here. And then one last spot. Perfect. And then what you want to do, I'm going to lay some more right over the top. So let me go get a little bit more packing paper so I can lay some over the top. Got my last bit of packing paper. Put that across the top. Alright, that's that right there. And then I'm gonna have to cut this box down. So what I'm gonna do is get my little box cutter. Now I don't have one of those special tools, so it's not as easy, but I get the job done. So pretty much how I like to do it first, so I like to slice up from the corners. Okay, wherever I think I might need. Slice up in the corners, and then I will cut the side, not so deep, but just enough to get that fold. And then you see you got that fold right there. So now it's easier for me to kind of even out. So now I could just use that as my reference, as my guide, and kind of just slit lightly across it right there, and then slit that, and boom, that folds down right there. And then you get this last corner, and then slide right there, fold that down, and then get my last fold flat, bam, and fold that down. Now I can kind of go back and reorganize it. And that keeps it nice and compact, and there's nothing moving around in there. All right, so that's that. So now I'll get some tape on there, of course. Put that down. Oh. Now I'll tape the bottom. One last strip all the way around. Again, a little overkill, but that overkill gives me a peace of mind that's gonna get there safely. So there you have it. That's how you package up a PS3, and you know, I assume you could do other video game consoles like that. But there's no one way to do it. You know, everyone has their own ways. That's how I do it. That's how I make sure that stuff gets to them, you know, in a safe manner. So that's it. All right, outside getting some damn fresh air. Anyways, I just wanted to say thank you for checking out my video. Again, my name is Calvin. This is the Kelly Hustle. If you have any comments, questions, whatever the case is, you know where to put that below. Please like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please smack that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.
So, and then like, I was like, I sneezed and I was like, I'm sorry, you guys. And then I grabbed like a can of spray cleaner and just like sprayed it around the air.